Hello everyone, this is Handmade. Today I'll show you how I'm currently making a Niva out of clay. And I'm making it out of very hard NSP clay and hard sculpting clay. As you can see, the car isn't fully finished. Right now it's about 50% done. In these short videos I show you what the car looks like at the sculpting stage when it's not fully finished yet. This Niva isn't quite ordinary, it's fitted with a Bronto body kit. I wanted to make a new Niva this time, and I came across this version and immediately decided to make mine that way because I liked the way it looked. As you can see, only the body is ready, and even then not all of it. I still need to make the hood and the roof, and also the interior and the engine. I make the body parts very thin so that the damage looks more realistic. As you've already figured out, I'm making this Niva for a crash test. All the body parts are 1 mm thick. Besides that, these parts are attached to a frame. Of course, the thickness at the mounting points is more than 1 mm. It can reach up to 4 mm. But the doors are entirely thin, as you can see. They don't have any special mounts. And this thin construction lets me create more realistic damage. Well, that's what I think. Let's see how it works in practice. In addition to thin elements in the model, I also use foil for the body parts. It's necessary for realistic damage and for the strength of the clay, so it holds its shape. Everything down to the car's underbody is covered with foil, and this prevents it from sagging when the car is standing on its wheels. And as an example, I'll show you how foil helps the clay hold its shape. So I've prepared two such rectangles, each 1 mm thick. I take a piece of foil and press it tightly onto the clay, and then I trim off the excess foil. Here's the plate I got. It already feels quite sturdy. On the left I'm lifting the piece with foil, and on the right without foil. And you can see that on the left this plate doesn't bend at all, while on the right the clay clearly gives way. It bent right away as soon as I picked it up. And in this way, with the help of foil, modeling clay can be made quite resistant to bending. This is especially useful for elements like the roof, hood and trunk, where it's important for the modeling clay not to sag. And now you know how to use foil, how it's done, and what it looks like. Now I'll show you the wheels that I made for this Niva. I made them separately right away, so it would be more convenient for me to build the car. And when the Niva is completely ready, I'll just attach these wheels in their places. Well, that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're interested in my clay modeling creation. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.